Hello there, everybody. My name is Ken. I'm 9 years old and I'm going to show you my science video. Today, let's learning science and exploring science with me in this Asalas video. Welcome, explorers. Today, let's exploring science again. Today, I want to tell you what is the matter? Exactly. What is matter? So, you heard of the things that are like this before because you know all of the matters. Everything on earth is made of matters and they all made of atoms. We're gonna talk about atoms later. So we have the atoms stick together is solid. More not stick enough. No, not very stick together. The atoms is liquid, and this is vapor or gas. Gas, vapor is or steam is a gas. Now let's talk about these items. Here I have these items, and I will going to ask you what are these atoms? Solid, liquid, or gas? And I know, you know what it is? The solid rocks, lots of minerals, and the atmosphere right above the earth are filled with gases. And what about the rivers and streams and lakes that are carving that rock? Excellent. It's water, liquid. And you see it? Water has a force too. They all carving the rock. Everything on our earth is made of matters, including you and including me. And then I want you to set up your thinking ball, just a little ball, and just a little. And we're going to ask you about these items. Yeah. Now let's see you should now before we thinking about these items, let's you should stomp your feet in the ground. Solid, liquid, or gas? Excellent. It's solid. And now we're going to talk about these items that we have today. I have this smoky quartz. Ooh, it's made from about 71 to 73 million years. It's very rare and it's made and when it's create it contains a long time, and it's a crystal or a kind of minerals. Here, this rock or quartz or it called smoky quartz is a solid. So what do we have here in this cup? You see it? Excellent. In this cup, you think it's there's some water, but it's actually some solid ice, and solid ice is actually some solid water. And inside of the ice cubes, very little heat, and there's a blank of heat. It means there's nothing inside of that ice cube. And this ice cube, what about this? We have our solids, so what is this? Liquids. This liquid is strawberry lemonade. Oh, that's cool. It is so. This is a little sour and tart, but it's still delicious and sweet. So here, this lemonade, strawberry lemonade is liquid. And so do this water a liquid? Of course. This water is how we keep our body healthy. We really need this kind of clear liquid. So what about this in this bottle? We're going to talk about this. You know what it is? is vapor, gas, solid with gas, solid with gas, gas. Do you know what this bag? Do you think this bag is holding nothing in it? It's absolutely nothing, but it actually does. Look, inside of this, no liquid, no solid. It should be, well, matter. Everything made of matters, and three kinds of matters: solid, liquid, and this one should be gas. And you can't see it. It's invisible. It's gonna blow your mind. This is one of the three liquidness phase. And now the air, the gas, you breathe in, breathe out. So this in this bottle, it should be gas. It should be some vapor in it. Does this bag have anything in it right now? But what if I breathe in? What if I take air from my lung to this bag? Can you see it? Now let's see. Blow some air into this bag. Look, I think there's an invisible force that is pushing the bag and don't let it stay together. So it will be our gas in our lungs. Maybe it's oxygen or maybe it's vapor. Now I want to live with you to wiggling your seat. Just a little wiggles. And now put up your thinking ball and stomp on the ground. Oh, I talked about this. So, you know, solid, liquid, or gas? Solid. The ground is made of wood or metal or brick. But that matters. Should be a solid to help keep us in. Now, if you don't mind, I like to do the free-face boogie. Now let's imagine this. When I go to a swimming pool, after I change my clothes, I dive into the water. Yes, I dive into the liquid. You know, liquid, and it's made from little ice cubes. You see, I can feel it all over my skin. And the air, breathe in, breathe out. That's a gas. Maybe we breathe in vapor, or maybe we breathe in gas. Or if you don't mind, I like to do the three-phase boogie. Now let's talk about the water changing, and it will blow your mind. Now you see this ice cube. This ice cube has actually none of the energy is in this ice cube. But I see. Now let's put it in the other hand. Now I see liquid forming because the heat of my hands is melting this ice cube, and it's more energy. Now let's make a little energy. It's very hard, but like I said, make a little energy, and it's going to cool down, heat a little heat, and it will turn into the water. Now the liquid coming here, and more energy, and more energy, and look. My hands are starting to moving. They are starting to moving, and they will create the vapor, the gas. So, it's been a while, and and lot of them, they are moving, lots of energy. But then, the heat began to escape, and it cools down. Now it's this liquid. Now it's even more, less energy, and solid. Now, the blank up here, now the inside of the ice cubes Now it's still the blank of heat. And now three-phase booty. Are you ready? We're gonna end this video with this three-phase boogie. Solid, very little heat or a blank of heat. Now start moving your energy. Go liquid, and even more energy. Go vapor, it's a gas. Go vapor, it's a gas. And now slowing down, less energy, and solid. Very nice three-phase boogie. And now, if you remember, the three-phase is solid, liquid, and gas. Breathing the air is very fresh, and I haven't told you this. Solid rust. Until next time, and goodbye. See you next time.